still they're strong. Ah, wait. Why I carry my
your
phone?
back there open.
Hey, give me. I'm not there open. Make I check my phone. Wait, Samira. It's not there for my back again. Check am now. See, you know there for here. Now only that week there for here. Wait, oh. If like say my phone don't fall for that place, so we'll fight those girls. So. Hey, don't go say I keep that week. Make we go back home. Yeah, make we go.
Have you been able to reach her?
Well, her phone rang at first. Later, it said switched off. And now it's not even reachable anymore.
Is there anyone you can get to be of help?
Yes, but I've been trying to call them. They're not responding.
In that case, let me drop you back home.
I don't even know why Gina's phone is switched off. Brenda and Grace, theirs is even worse. They are not responding to my calls. I don't know what's happening at my house.
I thought you said your place is safe.
Of course, my estate is very safe. But I'm not home now to know what's going on at my house. That's the problem.
Get back to the car. Let me drop you back home.
I need to just go and see what's happening at my house. Huh.
Guy, don't worry, just relax. That your client, you know they respond well, you get. But relax, calm down. Let's not push too much. You go legit, don't worry. I'll bring you up. Who's that?
It's me, Gina.
Gina. Come in. Oh, Gina! Come in. Were you following me?
No. I just came on my own. I wasn't following you.
Really? So, why did you show up so late? Is that a problem?
There's no problem. Oh, please, can I pass the night part of please? Please. Number is still switched off. Where could she be? Okay, Brenda. Oh, not reachable. What do you mean call failed? What is this now? What's going on? Or perhaps she went out with Brenda and Grace. Maybe. Just maybe. Chief. Hello? Chief? No, none of them is home. I've checked everywhere. They are not here. Her number is still switched off. I tried them too. The house is not reachable at all. A lot of call failed and I don't know, network busy. I don't know, just worried that... Yes, that's what I thought too, that maybe she went out with them. Of course, I'll still try to reach them before I sleep. Thanks for the care. Have a good night, Chief. Thank you. Bye.
Where could it be?
See as them. You're mad. No life so low. I shower. I mean, people can go and bed. If not, be say with the rush go somewhere for just scatter.
Where could I go?
You get us a day in a good mood.
I
I not bring you just get us a day in a good mood. Why you? Your lucky week they go. You're lucky.
Olosho, come. Just them be.
Babe, Jesus Christ. So if to say I no call you now, you're supposed to get not flashing my phone. My phone will not just go like that. Cynthia, you know say you fuck up well. I fuck up. Now you mess up now. You no gree tell me. Why for I forgot flashing this my phone back that week. That week last that week go cost 200k.
You say wait. That wig na more than 500k, I swear. You know say I be hairstylist. I go tell you for free.
Na lie.
You for buy like 3 of this your phone self.
My God, but you mess up. I for not flashing this phone. Oh. I will flash this phone.
I was
that
trying to tell you. You know, listen. Oh, now because say you just newly buy this phone.
Let me say my phone dey ring.
It dey ring now. Hi.
My Erica, beg. I don't want to take this call.
Pick the call now.
I don't want to take him. You know, I don't suffer with that guy now.
Babe, just pick this call.
Just pick up. Hello, Eric.
Gina, you're just too funny. You mean you left the house just to come here because there's no one around here?
Yes, now. I can't sleep in that big house alone. I'm not used to the house yet.
Really? So why didn't you follow them to the party?
They said strictly by invitation.
Ah, I see. Okay. You're welcome here.
Thank you.
You can pass the night. As you can see, I'm living in a very small apartment. Yeah? But very soon, just very soon, I will pack into my house and build a very good house. Big mansion.
You're building already? Congratulations, I'm so proud of you.
Thank you.
This is so thoughtful of you. Unlike most men that walk around here and there, all they know how to do is squander money on women. But look at you. I'm so proud of you, sincerely.
I am not them, okay? I didn't come here to Cambridge.
I'm so happy for you. Congrats.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Oh, God. Hold on, please. That reminds me, I spoke to my friend about you and he told me he's going to see you one-on-one.
One-on-one how? Why?
Hey, for interview, of course. I mean, he wants to know if you're truly worthy of that job.
Oh, okay. If so, that's fine. Look, you don't know what I'm avoiding.
I know.
You don't understand.
I know what you're avoiding.
So when?
He didn't specify, but I'm very sure that before the week ends, something will come up. Believe me.
I can't wait. I just can't wait to have this job. Thank you so much, Lucky. I appreciate it.
Keep the thanks until you get the job.
I'm thanking you in advance because I know I'm going to get it. Thank you.
It's okay. I want to go upstairs, so join me. Let's go.
Nope. I'll sleep here. I'll sleep in the parlor.
Gina.
What?
You. You never change.
I'll sleep in the parlor.
It's okay. I'll be upstairs, okay? So if you need anything, just call me, okay?
Thank you. I'm very sure I won't need anything. All I need now is just to sleep.
It's okay. It's all right.
Good night.
Good night.
That's if at all you have time to sleep.
I will.
Pressing your phone all the time. She thinks I will not know. So, Sophia, I found out. I discovered your secrets. So this is what you used to do. You left me in the house. I was doing okay. You were doing okay. You were doing okay with Chief. See you. I've discovered your secrets. You people. You. See this one. You can't get that shower. You can't hear me like this. I got that shower. A shower. Oh no, show. Oh boy.
What is wrong with you, Gina?
I left Brenda at the club as I was coming back. Look at what she said. I saw her, one guy dropped her. The moment the guy drove off, she started behaving like this.
Gina.
Yes, so I found out.
Did you drink anything? Who were you with? Who dropped you?
It's that man that you went to see. That man. I went and slept with the man like this. I gave the man doggy like this. That man. I slept with the man. I slept with Grace.
Go for it.
I slept with Grace.
You know what, Grace? Let me get my car keys. Let's take her to the hospital.
This is a spiritual matter. How can we take her to the hospital?
See, let me tell you something. I found out. All your secrets are in my hand like you. I now know your secrets.
Let's go, Brenda.
I'm feeling hot though. I have to take her this clothes.
What's wrong with you? Put that thing down. What's wrong with you?
Go, Brenda.
Brenda,
Brenda, not spiritual man. But you just said it's something spiritual now.
Wait.
Where's Gina?
You left her here now. Is she not home?
You mean you did not see her at home when you came in?
Wait.
Sophia, talk now.
She didn't go out with you both?
No, she did not. She wanted to, but we stopped her. We can't let her know what we're into now, remember?
I just woke up from a really scary nightmare.
And what about it?
It had to do with Gina and the fact that wherever she is at the moment, her life might just be in danger.
Babe, you never really talk exactly what he did think. Like, what's going on?
Tell us now.
What are you thinking exactly? Talk now.
Did her enemy die in your dream?
No, not that.
God.
True, but you brought her back home mad.
God forbid. Jesus.
So wait a minute.
Who brought her home?
You.
God forbid.
And you said that she went mad immediately after a man dropped her off.
This matter is serious, so. But hold on. Gina came home with a guy yesterday.
A guy? Gina?
You mean Gina came to this house with a man?
Yes. Yes, now, I did forget. She came home with a guy yesterday and... if anything happens to Gina, that guy should be held responsible.
How exactly... Where exactly do we find this guy? How do we know him? Tell me about the guy you went to see. Your boyfriend?
And who said I went to see a guy?
Well, Brenda said you came with a guy.
Oh, I was coming to that. She mentioned that you guys do not allow male visitors into the house. Why is that?
That's correct, and it's quite simple. The thing is, the lady who lived with me before brought in a lot of guys. And people around this estate started thinking of us as harlots. Yes. They felt we were using this place as what better word do I use for this?
Say brothel.
Exactly, a brothel. After she left, Gina and Brenda came. So, I put a stop to it and I gave them my own terms.
So what if the person is a relative or a close friend?
A relative, yes. Friends, not so much. But, Gina, you're free to do as you want. But please, it shouldn't be, an everyday thing. I mean, now and then you can, but decorum.
Okay, thank you.
Brings me to my initial question. Your boyfriend?
Why are you so interested in that?
That's because you're my friend and I care about you. I feel I should at least know who he is. Well, since you do not want to talk about it, it's fine, but my candid advice to you is to be extremely careful. Be extra careful because everything is in black and white, and Gina, you have done so much for me in time past, and I wouldn't want to see you hurt.
Sounds like you're scared of something.
Scared? Well, I am scared of losing you. I don't want anything to happen to you, Gina. I care about you. At least, not while you're in my house.
Thank you for your care and concern. I appreciate it.
You're welcome.
Wait, how is it that it is the same guy who wanted to scam you that Gina brought home? I don't understand. How do you explain that?
My sister, are the same person. And I am very, very certain that she's just coming back from the guy's house.
Nana. How? Oh, maybe they are just friends now.
I don't understand, Grace. Why go talk like that? Which kind of mumu friendship be that one? And you know Gina is just very, very new in town. So when they start to become friends...
It's not the same thing we're saying. Eh? I don't know. Sophia just needs to tell how missional bring person come this house before person will carry person customer come meet person for here.
You see what time they talk?
Yes, now. Remember what happened the other time?
Hi! This kind of thing that they talk. Eh? And I'm very certain that idiot must have told her about her hustle. Hey! She can't talk this one now.
You know what I will do? I will use wisdom. I will use brain to ask her. If she knows anything, she will tell me. You know now.
You sure?
Sure now. I will ask her. Hi! This guy,
Just here.
My name is Lucky. You have my address already. I believe it is what I ordered that you're sending to me. Alright. Thank you. Hi, Gina. I hope you're home now.
I want to ask you a question. And I want you to be sincere with me.
And what exactly?
Is there something you need to tell me about you and Brenda? Something you need me to know?
What did she tell you?
She didn't tell me anything. I want to know what you're having with her, so I'll know how to relate with her.
Okay, Brenda is a nice girl. She's a good girl. That's all I can say. But if there's any other thing I do not know about her, then she should be in a good position to tell you.
So what about you?
I don't understand.
Anything about you want me to know?
Gina, please, can you tell me what this is all about?
You tell me what is going on. Because I don't understand what is going on with you. Seriously.
Because there's nothing to tell you. See, I will appreciate you give me a clue on what exactly you want to know. What exactly this is all about?
Listen, Lucky. I am asking because they are asking me to be careful with you. And I want to know why they are saying that.
Who said that?
It doesn't matter. Just go ahead and answer my question.
No. It matters. And it must be that prostitute I picked from the streets that told you that.
Who are you referring to as a prostitute?
You know who I'm talking about.
Listen, if it's Sophia you're referring to as a prostitute, she's not, okay? Sophia has a legitimate job. She's doing well for herself. She's not a street girl.
Who is Sophia? Oh, your friend, the one that owns the apartment? I wasn't referring to Sophia. I mean, I was actually talking about Brenda. Okay, I said what I said out of anger, you know, but whoever told you all of this doesn't mean well for you.
You know what? It's fine. I'll talk to you later.
Hi, Gina.
Hi, Brenda. Good morning.
Good morning. How's the night?
Oh, good though. Ma, I spent almost the entire night on the internet. You know, now I'm still job hunting, so I had to try online to see if I can get something.
Don't worry. You will get something very soon.
Amen. How about Sophia and Grace? Have they gone to work?
It is either they're upstairs in their rooms or outside.
Okay. Brenda. What kind of job do you do exactly?
I work mainly online.
Like, yeah, okay. What kind of job exactly? What's the nature of your job? Babe, you know what I'm asking.
Gina,
now.
which kind of question and answer you bring like this morning? Eh? Which kind of pattern did they bring like this now?
I'm just asking now. Babe, you know I'm job hunting. I'm just asking to know. So in case you guys are hiring, I mean your company is hiring or anything, I can just quickly drop my CV or apply. You get?
Okay. I'm into marketing.
Okay.
Same as Grace and Sophia. Even though we work for different persons, this is our office. Our phones. But sometimes you could see us with laptops, so anywhere where we see ourselves can just work. Huh?
I hope it's not Yahoo.
Me? Yahoo? Do I look like a scammer?
I'm just kidding, okay? Let me quickly fix breakfast for myself.
You should. There are veggies and bread, so you can just eat something.
Okay, well please, in case there is vacancy, don't hesitate to tell me, I beg you. I'm tired of staying
My
idle.
girl now, no worry. I will tell you.
Alright.
Back for ground, money for hand. You want short time, I be the full time. Call them runs, I be na shower. The thing be say I shower, na shower. It doesn't matter how you paint up. It doesn't matter how you do shop.
Honorable. You know me now. I always dey give, I know they fuck up.
Just tell me how many girls you guys need for the function. And trust me, I'll organize them. Exactly. I never failed you before now. I always deliver. Yes. Mm-hmm. No, go talk the court, so you know how they be now. We go talk how much you know say I must collect my court. No worry, I will send their pictures on your WhatsApp later, so you have to pick from the girls. Of course, I have really very, very clean girls. If you see these girls, ha! Now Sophie, they follow you talk, oh. It's alright. No problem, I'll do that. Take care. Bye-bye. Brenda, what's up?
I do. Okay, wait now, I want to talk to you about.
Is this serious?
Very serious.
Oh yeah, sit down now. Sit down.
It's about Gina.
Gina? What about her?
Babe, did you tell her the kind of hustle we do?
You mean the kind of job we do?
Yes, now. She come meet me say she won't know the kind thing we would do.
Ha! What did you tell her?
You asked me. I told her I'm into marketing. That most of the times I'm outside. That's why I don't go to the office. So far as my laptop is good, I can work anywhere.
Perfect. Please, on no account should she have an inkling of what we do. Please, this is very important to me.
You don't trust me again. I don't ever tell her now, and I'm certain Grace will not.
That one Akpako now. That one till she die, she will always keep secret. Yeah?
Just go sis.
No wahala. Okay. I will join you shortly. Hello? Chi.
Hello.
Madam, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, my darling. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Okay, where are you going to?
I just want to see my friend along the next road.
Okay, come in. Let me drop you if you don't mind.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Wow. What's your name?
My name is Grace.
Okay, I'm Rose.
Okay, nice to meet you.
Actually, yes, nice to meet you again. Actually, I am sorry the way I talked to you the other day. And the way you responded to me, it was so nice of you. You're so respectful and humble.
But what you told me was for my own benefit. There's no way I can be offended by you advising me on the right thing to do. I should say thank you, actually.
Such a nice person.
Thank you.
Okay. Sorry, are you married?
No, I'm single. Why did you ask?
I wanted you to do something for me. I just need a favor from you. It's about my husband. See, he cheats so much, and each time I confront him, he denies it. So I just want you to help me.
I'm confused, man. I don't know how I come in here. What do I have to do with all that?
Okay, it's simple. You're a beautiful lady, and I'm sure you're smart. I will give you his contacts. You will call him and play along with him, which I'm sure he will fall for you. As soon as he accepts, just tell me your location, where you guys are. I want to catch him red-handed, and I believe so doing he will not deny.
With all due respect, ma, I'm sorry. I don't think I can do that. I mean, it's actually a very difficult thing to do because it is risky. Yes. My point is, you might decide to do this now and then you end up regretting it. So long as your husband is taking care of the bills and taking care of you, I think you should just let him do whatever it is he wants to do. Please. That's just my candid advice.
Think so?
Yes, I think so.
Back for ground, the money for hand. You want short time, I be the full time. Call them runs, I be na shower. The team be say I shower, na shower. It doesn't matter how you bend up. It doesn't matter how you do shop. Sex for money, na shower.
See, that your friend not try at all, though. Which kind of pharaoh be that? She even tell am say she dey hungry. You no give am ₦1 to use buy food. That thing not nice now. Which kind matters be that? Even if they direct her go restaurant, as in make she use her money to go buy food now. Which kind thing be that one? Not like am. No, my own pharaoh go well. Oh. The guy even dashed me 50k extra. Say I use am for transport. He buy me food, I drink, enjoy myself. No wahala now. I won't hit somewhere now. We'll talk later now. Other good parents will come, sha. That one day. I won't come out now. I'll talk to you later. Gina, so you're outside. What's up with you? Are you okay? No. Can I have a word with you? Sure, why? Talk to me.
It's about Brenda and Lucky. The guy Brenda assumed I'm dating.
Okay. So, what about them?
I just want to find out if you know anything about them, like, are they dating? Are they friends? Have they dated before?
Don't you think I'm the wrong person to ask this question? I mean, where do you expect me to get such answers from? Listen, I try to mind my business. I do not poke nose into people's affairs. So I know nothing about this. Trust me.
Okay.
I assume that should be all. I have somewhere important I want to go to.
Please. What's the nature of your job? I just want to know.
Okay. Is that why you're worried? Gina, did someone say anything to you that's got you worried? Tell me.
I had a conversation with Sophia and she said I should be very careful with the guy. So, I was just wondering.
If she says you should be careful with the guy, please be careful with him. It's just an advice. Besides, now who like person 9 they advice person? You hear me?
That's true.
Is that all? I would like to leave now. I have somewhere to go.
Please. What's the nature of your job? I just want to know.
That it is a no-no for you, Gina. I mean, you cannot do my kind of job.
Why?
Yes, because talking to buyers is very, very, very difficult. Listen, this is what I do, right? I market properties and for every buyer I get 10% of the money into my account. And this requires time, patience, dedication, and even energy. You don't have such energy, darling, so stick this one out, okay?
No. Who told you I don't have such energy? Listen, I need money. I need to hustle.
Okay.
You get, at this point, I don't mind drifting away from my profession. At least to just keep body and soul going.
Right.
I need to make money, right?
Yes.
So I think it's something I can try. I can.
I know you can. Sorry. No vacancy. Madam Gina, no vacancy. Quit trying.
Oh, she's there.
How are you?
I'll be fine. Okay.
What happened? Are you okay?
It's nothing major. It's just a minor misunderstanding between my friends and I.
Alright, yeah. Can we go?
I was going to ask you, are we doing short time or am I staying the whole night?
It depends. You have seen, we may spend the night together.
Now your money will talk now.
That's no problem. I can handle it. Can we go?
I don't understand. How do you mean you can handle it? What is it going to be?
Listen, let's just go. When we get there, before I touch you, we can discuss.
Bros, I don't understand. I don't understand. Wait till they try talk. Like, I be like small picking for your eye. Like, I don't understand. It isn't that today I start this business. Make we go first. Then when we... No, I don't want to hear stories. I beg, just tell me what you go pay me. Make I know.
Listen, do I look like someone that will play cows?
Even people where they wear suits. Now themselves they do pass. They go do finish, run, leave you for there. They need a right hand for face. Hey, I'm not saying you look like any of that, but why is it so hard for you to just say what it is?
I will not disappoint you. Let's just go.
Anyway, I forgot.
Okay.
I can't spend the night. I just remembered I have something important to do at home. So maybe we'll just spend a few hours and I come back.
Alright, let's just go. Even if it's only the cab I put up, okay, let's just go. Let's just go. Let's just go. Even if it's only the cab. Let's go.
Hey, back for ground, money for hand. You want short time, I been a full time. Call them runs, I been a shower. The team be say a shower, na shower. It doesn't matter how you bent up. It doesn't matter how you too short. Sex for money in a shower. Yo, because a shower no be walk. Leave a shower. Runs no be walk at all. Leave a shower. A shower no be walk. Leave a shower. Make you find something doing. Leave a shower. Because a shower no be walk. Leave a shower.
Are you sure you're very alright? You're here.
I will just see her briefly and I'll leave. Yes.
Would you want me to wait for you?
No, don't wait for me.
Are you sure about that?
I don't even know why she sent for me. I may take longer than expected, so I don't want you waiting. Besides, you're a married man, you don't want me to get home late.
There she goes again, I'm a married man. Listen, that shouldn't be your problem, alright? I know how to play my game around my lovely wife.
Mr. Player, still you have to be careful.
Well, it's okay, I understand.
Thank you for the pay today. I appreciate.
No. Remember I told you something?
Sorry, sir.
Yeah, there you go again. Never use that word whenever you're around me, okay? Just feel free to call me my name.
Okay, sir.
There you go again. You and the sour word, you won't change. You see, the truth is you're very special to me, alright? And I would feel more comfortable if you address me by my name. Just go ahead and call me Benny. Yeah.
I'll
more
try.
like it. Alright, you can hurry along while I rush back home. I love you. Catch you right there.
Sophie. Pick up. How can I call Brenda? I will not pick up her phone. Small quarrel, she'll start carrying face. Jesus. Engineer Benson. Okay. Hello, sir. No, I'm not fine. I think someone is following me. I don't know. I don't know if I'm being followed. I felt a presence. Yes. Can you come get me? I am so scared. Your car broke down. Ah, okay, that's fine. I'll just stay here until I can get help. I'll stay. Thank you. Jesus.
Gina! She's not even here. Who's there? Grace. Wait. Grace. What? What's going on? Why are you acting as if someone is after you?
Someone is after me. Yes.
I don't understand.
One of my biggest shots just dropped me off. Immediately he left. I sensed that someone was following me. I don't know who it was, but I knew. I heard it. Shh.
I don't think anyone is following you.
Abi small picking. Don't I sense when there is danger? I was even calling you. You did not pick your call.
I'm so sorry. I left my phone downstairs, then I just came down. I was thinking of even calling you before you knocked.
See, you know that transformer? Behind the transformer, that's where I was hiding. I hid there for a while. I wanted to see who the person was. The person saw me. I don't know. Then I hid them. So whether it's a guy or a girl, I don't know. I did not see the person, but I know the person was following me.
Well, you know this area is safe. This estate is very safe. Maybe the person saw estate security and decided to turn around. Don't worry.
Sophie, I don't know for you. Who is after me? What do they want?
Grace! Relax. Okay? Take a deep breath. You do something for me now. Take your things. Go upstairs. Take a bath. And rest. Okay? Grace, I've locked the door. Stop being paranoid, Grace.
Let me go upstairs. You lock it well. Leave out the door.
Grace, please just shower and rest, okay?
Jesus.
How shall they shout Jesus again?
That's why I did not take the call. I even had to put my phone on silent. I think so. I just have to keep watching my back because I don't know what's training, but I'm very sure someone will see. Sure. Yeah, I'm sure of what I saw. Okay. Thank you so much. I'm glad you enjoyed it. Just whenever you want me, girl, you know. Alright. Thank you. I'll talk to you. Bye. Yippee!
Babe, what's up?
Okay, no problem.
Hey!
I feel like the person made me follow me yesterday.
Follow? How now? Did you see the person's face?
No, I did not. I don't know if it's a girl or a boy, but I'm very certain I felt it like somebody was following me, like person the track. You know, as person the track person normally now. Just the waka. You know when that guy dropped me off, Engineer Benson now came to pick me up. It's not answer the waka. I don't know. Those girls.
Babe, those girls will be the people who be track me yesterday. I know the person they track me as a person. No.
Jesus, that's what I wanted to say. You know, those girls don't have chills and coordination. Hey, babe.
Yeah, don't die. God, I beg. Me reason your daughter, I beg. Those girls no get shame. Shame no did their eye at all. They fit do anything.
But, I mean, you need to ask that guy to talk to them. A person no come pour you acid one day, babe. If you just walk out, you go hear wah for your body.
Brenda, will you believe me if I say I don't have anything serious with that guy? I won't be lying to you now, not now that I feel so unsafe. I don't have anything serious with him. Yes, I've been with him like a few times. Now, we don't knock like 4 times. Now, that's all I can remember. It's not like we're dating. What will I be dating that guy for?
But what is even wrong with those girls? No, I won't know. When Alicia start to get one man? When?
You not get man.
Like Alicia.
What did you be before?
Hey, I am a businesswoman. You call yourself Alicia? Because all I know, you have to book me. If you need me, call me, book me. And if everything aligns, we go ahead. So I am not. I'm a businesswoman, bro.
Yeah, baby.
Oh.
You know that time with this small, you get one thing we know people do. They call her a market seller. You know that woman they call Lillian Bash? Now she had the thing. My name is Angelica, and I'm a market seller. Call me Angelica, and I'm a market.
Oh, no, sure that you be Ashawo. Would you have a business woman since when that one start? Come on, V girl. What's up with you?
In everything you do, add class and make it premium. I am not your regular street girl. I get level, babe.
Why you get pride like this now? Why are you so proud?
It's my blood.
Hey, you can't be broke and be proud. Choose a race. What is wrong with you?
I'm a cook.
That we don't go to the club and shake our bum doesn't make us any different. All of us are Ashi. All of us are Ashawo.
You be Ashawo, I know be Ashawo.
Premium girl.
Businesswoman.
Premium Ashawo.
Classy.
Classy Ashawo. Classy Ashawo. I carry that for you.
If you like that, they call yourself.
Premium Ashawo. Classy Ashawo.
International businesswoman.
God, I beg you. I remember to come go supermarket because premium brother. Olosho level.
Hello, madam. Please hold on. I saw this at the counter while you were paying. I think it dropped from you. Do you have your own with you?
Oh, let me check. Oh my goodness.
Then it should be yours. Written Ophelia on it.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Where are you going to? Are you done shopping?
Yes, I'm done. I'm actually going to my friend's place, close to the flyover.
Okay. Let me drop you.
No, don't worry. I can take care of myself.
Come on, I'm not complaining.
I delayed you the other time. I don't want to delay you again.
Yes. Let's go in. The car is open.
Thank you. Let's go.
Sorry.
Thank you.
So chill. Yeah. I hope this your friend is not the type that goes after the women that work for him, because if he tries nonsense with me, I'll just quit.
Get the job first, at least.
Okay. But are you sure he's aware we're waiting for him?
Of course. He is. He will soon be here, very, very. I'm certain.
Okay. Okay. can't wait to get this job though.
I know.
Tired of staying at home. Is he the one?
No, my elder sister.
Oh, did you tell her I'm around?
Oh, no, we don't agree. Yeah, after the encounter you had with my sister's husband, you narrated all the story and we didn't believe you. Recently, I caught him with my friend's girlfriend. I'm telling you, yes. A whole lot of people keep telling me he has been a flat, like everywhere. They know him for that.
Oh,
and I tried talking with my sister and she thought I'm trying to ruin her marriage. So I had to cut her off so I wouldn't be the reason why she had a failed marriage. So I'm just on my own now.
So you actually caught him?
I did.
Okay.
I did.
But for your sister, all I can say is she's still your blood, yeah?
Oh.
Your elder sister for that matter.
I know.
So you two should settle. But for that goat, that dog.
Settle, you say? Anyway, not now. When her eye clear. We'll know. We'll settle by then.
Please, God is your guy again. Call him again, please.
Hello, guy. What's up now? I've been here waiting. Come on. Oh, really? Alright then, just call me when you're done. Okay. This guy just did make me vex, I'm telling you. Huh?
You won't blame him completely. You know banks and their wahala. You won't be surprised if he ends up spending the whole day in the bank. What place where they go? They just have a way of stressing you.
It's alright, sir. So, where to?
Please, you take me to the other place, eh? Let me check on their manager. I don't want to rely on just your friend. Let me know what's up.
So small. Now don't talk to your cab man today.
Before Uncle. If you don't do it for me, who else will?
I will do it to my wife to be.
That's for your wife to be. But for me, you are going to do it or no one else. No, I don't have anyone that will do this for you now. Thank you, I appreciate it.
Brenda, calm down, let her come.
Babe, when I told you this girl was dating that guy, you thought I was joking. Funny enough, I called that idiot a few minutes before he dropped her. And he told me he wasn't in town. Eh?
Brenda, relax. We'll address the issue now.
Babe, this is the third time. At the third time, it is making no be like say they use other people men. Swear for grace.
Can you calm down? She did come. Oh, see, she's coming. She's here. Just calm down, okay? Grace, come and sit close to me. Come. Come now. Grace, she's come now.
I don't understand. You and me, they marry.
Grace, shift come. We know they fight.
Oh, I don't shift.
Perfect. Grace. The reason
if
for...
want small meeting where they get my things, I'll call you back. I don't know I'm meeting at dinner. I'll call you. I'm listening to you. Sir.
The reason for this meeting is regarding the man that dropped you off at our street today. Grace, you and I know that Brenda and the man are dating, or should I say we're dating. Right now, the man is no longer close to Brenda. She feels since she introduced you to the man, you went behind her and snatched the man from her. Now the man doesn't talk to her, doesn't want anything to do with her. What's in the sub? You don't suppose they run things with your girl man now. At least somebody when you are in the same house, you know, you get that CB. What's in the sub?
Good. God, I beg you. Hey, Jesus. Hey, God, I beg. Which girl will have you this good? Wait, oh. I get one small question. Was there a time that Brenda invited us that she was walking down the aisle with a man? No, I want to know. Is there any time when Brenda saw her shebi for us, say should they marry? What is the definition of dating? What is the dictionary definition of dating, if I may ask?
Let me ask you too. Is he your client?
He can be anybody's client. Yes. Doesn't he have other side chicks? Or because it's me? Why is she irritated? Because it's me? And because we're living in the same house? These men take on any girl. Like, they go about enjoying their life with their money. So what is the problem?
Let me ask you, Grace. Why is it that all the men you've ever hooked up with or had something to do with are the men I introduce you to? You get attached to them and then you turn around and make them cut ties with me. Grace, you know say if na you for no breathe, we will not go breathe for this house. You know say, Grace. Grace.
Grace. My mouth just... My name just is sweet for your mouth. Are you done talking? Tell me, baby, are you done? Are you ready for you, Brenda? Now let me ask you the same way you ask me, Nana. Now your property. That man, now your property. The man don't get other side chicks. No, answer now. Why they had you to answer? You know they knock other girls. Talk now.
Grace.
Okay, you know if you talk again.
Grace.
It's Grace. Sophie, you talk to her now. Why na my name you dey call?
Let me ask you a question.
Ha!
What did you tell us earlier? Say we'll be a shower, no me say we no get sense. Yes, you were the one who said it, not me. So why you not using your number 6? Why you know they use your head? I'm not saying you shouldn't date anyone you want to date or hook up with anyone you want to hook up with. You don't need to flaunt it in front of her. I mean, even if you won't run this man, you go run her coded now. Why you dey flaunt him? That hurts. You are hurting her feelings and that's not nice.
See, normally I have no talk for this matter. But for peace sake, I would like to address it once and for all.
Okay.
Baby girl, the difference between us and those girls at Highway 24, whatever it is that it's called, is because they go out there and shake their asses round the clock. We don't go out there and shake our asses. That's the only difference. But truth is, now the same something now will be sell. Yes! And thank you for reminding me of my words. Say we be a shower, not me say we no go raise our heads. Not me say we dey senseless or brainless. We are not. So let's stop behaving like animals. For God's sake. This is what it is. Let us accept it and move on. What is it now? Okay, tell me you don't know that the man has other chicks. Yes, because this is what these married men do. This is what they do. They could lie to their wives. They're going to Canada, they're going to Australia, they're going to London. Now lie. The man feel they want cheap hotel for Benin. They knock one small girl. Why you not go there, go hold them? No, now Grace, you know, they just they sweet your mouth. Grace. Yes. Because I be your friend. Let me tell you something. I am not the one who put the sexual urge in men. Listen, this is what they do. They want to eat ogbono today. Tomorrow they're craving for egusi. And before you know, they're jumping on vegetable soup. Yes, that's what they do. They've got the money and they want to live life and enjoy it. Accept it. What is it with you girls? Okay, yes. I was there when you called him. He said he wasn't in town. Abby? Talk now, you not go talk. He tell you say he not in town. Now my fault be that one too. How is that even my fault? He is in town, actually, if you want to know. I know he hurts, but I will tell you.
I did not do anything
Grace,
with
but
him.
what we're saying is you have to do it with your sense.
It's okay.
That's the point.
It's okay.
He only dropped me now. I didn't go anywhere with him. I swear to God. I don't go anywhere.
It's fine. It's fine. You can inherit him. I don't care. I go back, go to
Brenda, wait. You never reach like that. Just calm down. Wait.
I know the vex. I'm not angry. Grace said they give me connects. I do too. Make it just be like saying I'm one of those connections where I give you, okay? Enjoy. I go upstairs.
You know they look like that. You know they look like that. You not capable for this business. You know what I'm saying is the fact. Okay, baby, make I ask you. That your maga that year. That man is the richest man we've ever had anything to do with. No be your man. I not hang out with him. You kill me. You hold me for truth. The reason why Brenda they behave like this now because she know me. Because I be her friend.
Grace.
Why she know they go meet all those other girls with the man?
Grace. You just asked the question. And your answer is, she is Brenda and I am Sophie. Simply means different strokes for different folks. Come on. Okay. Make I put something like this. Somebody in the operate bakery now, for instance, and the man get the bakery. Then you now, when be Grace, your friend, when you carry come go behind you. You not just collect the bakery, collect the owner of the bakery. How you go feel? Now there this girl for the hustle her daily 2K now. Now this for the 6 months when she survive. You get a CB now, you say check am. Now you say make Ashawo they use their head. Say because they be Ashawo no me say they no get sense. I no follow you talk and now you talk. So why not use your head, girl? Come on. It hurts. You've hurt her feelings and that's not nice. Go meet her, make you say you will talk to her.
Brenda na my girl. I will talk to her, I'm not upset.
Better. But what's in again?
No, Anna, thank you. Nothing.
Oh yeah, now go meet her.
Thank you.
Get up. Brenda! I know the shot for you again. You won't pay fine. Asa Odogo. Yeah. Who talk anyhow? You go pay fine, no. If I hear shout, fine, no, fine day.
What is this man doing here?
I am not here to see you. So please, kindly shut up.
I thought we told you we do not entertain men in this apartment. What is this idiot doing here?
Brenda, please. I had a conversation with Sophia and she already told me why you people decided not to allow men into the house. Dan, that's for certain men, not someone like him.
Oh, wow. So that means you two are dating. You've agreed. Huh?
We are not dating. He's my brother.
Oh, shut up. Why do you like lying? Huh? Do I look like a kid to you? Why are you lying?
Brenda, look, I'm not lying to you. If you like, you believe whatever you want, I beg.
Please, ignore her. You should know her type of person. There's no need explaining to someone that doesn't want to believe you. My dear sister, I've come to see you. Okay, please, let's talk outside.